In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail's priority inbox. This feature helps you manage your email more efficiently by automatically identifying your important messages and separating them from the rest of your inbox clutter. So, let's dive into it and transform your emailing experience. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon near the top right corner of your inbox. This icon represents settings, and it's your gateway to customizing your Gmail to better suit your needs. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll find a few options, but we're interested in the one labeled See All Settings. Go ahead and select it. This will take you to a new page filled with numerous customization possibilities for your Gmail. You're now in the right place to set up your priority inbox. Look for the tab at the top of this settings page that says Inbox. Go ahead, click on it, and you'll be navigated to a section specifically for managing how your inbox is structured. Here, you'll find a subsection labeled Inbox Type. This is where the magic happens. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Priority Inbox. By doing so, you're activating this feature, enabling Gmail to start prioritizing your messages. Next, you'll see some customizable options just below. You can tweak these settings to make sure they align perfectly with how you want your emails to be organized. You'll notice that Priority Inbox can be divided into multiple sections, such as Important and Unread, Starred, and everything else. These can be tailored according to your preferences, providing a customized approach to managing your emails. After you've set the sections to your liking, don't forget to scroll down and hit the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. This ensures that all your selections are applied and you can start experiencing the benefits of a priority-focused inbox immediately. Once you return to your main inbox, you'll see your emails are now neatly organized into the sections you set up. This new layout ensures that the most critical messages are right at the top, making it much easier for you to focus on what truly matters without getting distracted by every email that comes your way. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Gmail's priority inbox. This simple yet effective tool is now hard at work, streamlining your email experience. With a little customization, your inbox will become a powerhouse of productivity, allowing you to spend less time sifting through emails and more time being productive. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps make your emailing just that little bit easier.